Sexuality is one of the fundamental drives behind everyone's feelings, thoughts, and behaviors. It defines the means of biological reproduction, describes psychological and sociological representations of self, and orients a person's attraction to others. Further, it shapes the brain and body to be pleasure-seeking. Yet, as important as sexuality is to being human, it is often viewed as a taboo topic for personal or scientific inquiry. Sex is an unavoidable fact of life. It's what it took for you to get here right now, and it's one of the main drivers in relationships. And so, it's easier to think you know all there is about it. But the reality is, sex is far more complex than you can imagine. So, to show you just how strange it can be, here are 8 psychological facts about sex that might surprise you. The limbic system, a more primitive region of the brain responsible for physical drives and elements of emotional processing, activates during sex, according to Jason Krellman, Ph.D., a neuropsychologist and assistant professor of neuropsychology at Columbia University Medical Center. Other parts of the cerebral cortex that govern higher reasoning, however, shut down. As a consequence, the sexual act itself is driven more by instinct and emotion than rational thought, Krellman says. Interestingly, two specific areas of the brain seem to shut off during sex for women, according to a clinical psychologist in the greater Kansas City area. One region involves social judgments and awareness, which might be why people say, "Love is blind," Sweeten says. The areas linked to self-awareness and self-inhibition also have been found to deactivate in female brains, resulting in out-of-body-like experiences during sex. This neural disinhibition helps women orgasm, says Nicole Pross, Ph.D. How does the mind affect sex? Sex causes the brain to release much higher levels of some neurochemicals, according to Krellman. These chemical changes help regulate and pace sexual activities, says Pross. One of these neurotransmitters is dopamine, which promotes feelings of desire, euphoria, satisfaction, and reward, Krellman says. Life doesn't make any sense without interdependence. We need each other, and the sooner we learn that, the better for us all. If you want to be creative, stay in part a child, with the creativity and invention that characterize children before they are deformed by adult society. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel to get our new video.